Rising the Geeky. I'm Devitt. This is Lunar Dawn.
We're playing Ratchet and Clank. Woohoo!
I think you managed to get through that whole last episode without dying.
Did I really?
I feel like you did.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I died. You jinxed it for me now. You're getting to the hoverboard race soon. Sometimes it takes me forever. Sometimes it doesn't. Could go either way.
The race itself, or getting you there?
The race itself. The race is in here. Did I get that or did I miss that? The star. That's the way out. So gotta talk to this lady. Oh my goodness, her boobs are like knocking towards themselves.
I like that.
Where did I go?
There's no transition, just
Oop. Oop. Was I supposed to jump?
No.
Does that count?
That's what I was gonna ask. Does that count as a death? But I'm gonna say no.
Well, think so. I'm definitely not gonna make it this time.
I think that was the place.
Yeah.
You stand under there. The trick is getting in here without being on the board or something, which I don't really remember. I don't really remember how to do.
I forget how. It's just a pretty simple trick though. But it's like now or never. If you don't do it in this particular race, you'll never get it.
Yeah.
Let's just place bombs all over our thing. Our racetrack.
It makes it more entertaining when people blow up.
I don't even see the other racers. I'm so far behind. Oh wait, I see one.
There was one for a brief second.
Cool. Did that thing explode behind me? Or did I actually get hit?
I think you grazed it, so it wasn't behind you. And you might actually not get last place.
Maybe.
Maybe. Ah, there you go. 4.
Wow. Continue. Oh yeah, it won't let you continue until you get first. Alright, let's try and stay on this time. Yeah. I think you can technically do tricks and stuff too.
Seems like it looks like they're doing tricks when they jump every now and again.
Well, they're not doing anything much besides holding their board, but
Yeah. That's something. You do like a little kick.
that guy, stop it! It's hitting me.
You totally get snowboard kids and play that too.
What the hell is snowboard kids?
It's a Mario Kart style racer, so you get like power ups and stuff, and you play these kids on snowboards.
Hmm.
That's exactly what it sounds like.
I see.
But it's an well, it was a game that I remember playing a lot, really enjoying.
Oh, I guess it's good. What platform was it on?
I think it was a 64 game.
Did he just keep going? He got blown up and just kept going. I think that is exactly what happened. Such a douche. See, this happens to me, but see, look, they just kept going. Back and forth?
Yeah, you were in second.
You gotta really hit all these things.
Yeah, I think it was in the 64 game.
Oh.
Which means that we might be able to get it on Virtual Console.
Oops. Potentially. I can't say I've ever looked. Ah, I missed it. I feel like I'm going even slower. I always prefer the power, like the speed ups that I can control on my own.
Ones where you press a button and you do it whenever you want.
Yeah, like I'd do something to get the speed up, so then I can use it when I wanted it. You know what? I think he went friggin' faster after he blew up. He got like a little charge forward. It blew him further on.
You want some of the game? No? Good job.
Okay, I hit that. I totally hit that. You saw it, right? You saw me hit it.
That's how you not hit it.
Don't be such a dick. I hit that.
Well, you gotta go through it though. It's the whole thing, right? You can't just touch the edge.
And why the hell not?
I don't know. Because they programmed it that way?
You programmed
You
it
also have to
that
stay
way.
on the track.
Well, you know what? It's not my fault, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're the one pressing the buttons.
Shut up. I'll get this.
You get it?
Yeah, I'll get it. Oops. Definitely pressed the jump button, but I didn't jump.
Not a great start.
No. Can I start this over? Good. Alright. Great. Oh! Did I do a trick or did I fall?
It looks like a trick.
Wow. Cool.
Not helping performance.
No. Okay.
Just
I'm doing that on purpose. Yeah. There we go. All better?
First, can you maintain? You're only on left. Oh, you got past anyway. I spoke too soon.
You did. Don't speak so soon.
I have to speak soon, or else I won't speak at all.
Maybe.
That would be boring. I assume.
Perhaps.
Thanks for watching Surprise Me.
Join us next time. Maybe I'll have this beaten the race. What?